Searching for the best modular motorcycle helmet feels like walking into a room where everyone's wearing the same mask, same flip-up design, same dual visors, same DOT-approved stamp. But here's what they don't show you: how they actually perform when you're riding at speed, talking to your riding buddy, or caught in sudden rain. The real difference isn't in the photos, it's in the details most buyers miss.
Product number 1, ILM 902 Dual Visor Helmet. The ILM 902, a solid entry-level modular helmet priced under $90. What caught my eye is its no-frills reliability. This thing looks simple, but it's built to meet DOT standards with a tough ABS shell and a micrometrically adjustable strap that actually holds tight. If you want a dependable flip-up helmet without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual visor system gives you a clear outer shield and a drop-down sun visor, so you're covered whether it's bright noon or overcast evening. The anti-scratch and anti-fog coating actually works. I tested it in humid conditions and visibility stayed sharp. Plus, the interior liner and cheek pads are removable and washable, which is huge if you ride daily and hate that sweaty helmet smell. With over 300 sold in the past month, it's clearly hitting a sweet spot for budget-conscious riders who still want safety and function. Now, some people complained about the fit running a bit snug, especially around the cheeks. Here's the thing though, modular helmets often need that snugness to stay stable at highway speeds, and ILM includes extra padding options to customize the fit. It's not the most luxurious ride, but for under $90, it's surprisingly solid. This is perfect for you if you're a daily commuter or weekend rider who wants safety, simplicity, and easy maintenance. Skip this one if you need advanced tech like Bluetooth or intercom. For the price, it's one of the best value modular helmets out there.
Product number 2, Cyril A128 Flip-Up Helmet. The Cyril A128, another budget-friendly modular at just under $80. What stands out is how well it balances safety and comfort. It uses a high-strength ABS shell with an EPS liner, which is the standard for impact absorption, and it's DOT approved. If you want reliable protection with smart ventilation, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ventilation system has manually adjustable vents at the top, mouth, and rear. On a hot day, you can actually feel the airflow shift when you open them. No more fogging or overheating during slow traffic. The flip-up mechanism is smooth and locks securely in both full-face and open-face modes, so you can chat at a stoplight without wobbling. And the dual visor setup, clear outer, tinted inner, plus an extra smoky visor included, that's rare at this price point. The interior is soft, breathable, and fully washable, which keeps things fresh over time. Now, some riders mentioned the chin bar feels a bit flimsy when flipped up during long stops. Here's the thing though, it's still structurally sound for safety, but if you plan to leave it open for extended periods while walking around, it might not feel as sturdy as premium models. Still, for riding, it's perfectly secure. This is perfect for you if you ride in varying weather and want better airflow without spending over $100. Skip this one if you need built-in tech or plan to use the open face mode frequently off the bike. It's a smart pick for practical riders.
Product number 3, ILM 953 Bluetooth Helmet. If the last two lack tech, this ILM 953 changes the game. At $200, it's a mid-range modular with full Bluetooth integration. What grabbed me is the built-in intercom that supports up to 1,680 feet between riders, perfect for group rides. If you want communication without extra headsets, this is a serious upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Bluetooth 3.0 system handles calls, music, and GPS audio with one-touch controls on the helmet. Incoming calls automatically override everything else, so you never miss an important call. The DSP noise cancellation actually works. Even at 60 miles per hour, my riding buddy said my voice came through clear. The 8-hour talk time and 110-hour standby mean it lasts multiple long rides. Plus, it still meets DOT standards and has a washable microfiber lining. Just remember, it runs one size smaller due to the built-in module, so size up. Now, some users reported the Bluetooth going into deep sleep after not being used for weeks, requiring a 30-minute charge to wake up. Here's the thing though, that's common with integrated electronics, and ILM's customer service is responsive if parts go missing. It's a minor hassle, but not a deal breaker if you charge it regularly. This is perfect for you if you ride in groups or want hands-free navigation and music. Skip this one if you rarely use tech or prefer lighter helmets. It's a bit heavier at 4.4 pounds. For the features, it's a strong contender.
Product number 4, Umer's 912 full face flip up. That was a solid tech option, but the next one might actually be better for riders who want extras without the high price. The Umer's 912 comes in at just over $82 and includes gloves, a mask, anti-fog film, and an extra lens, basically a full riding kit. If you want great value with added accessories, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable air vents really reduce wind noise, which is a big deal if you ride highways often. The quick release buckle makes it easy to put on and take off, even with gloves. The dual visor system, clear outer, dark inner, works smoothly, and the anti-fog film actually prevents condensation during sudden temperature changes. It's DOT certified with an ABS shell and EPS lining, so safety isn't compromised. At just 1,820 grams, it's lighter than many competitors, reducing neck strain on long rides. Now, some buyers said the plastic shell feels less premium than polycarbonate. Here's the thing though, ABS is still impact resistant and widely used in certified helmets. It might not feel as sleek, but it's safe and functional. The real win is the included accessories, which save you $30–40 if bought separately. This is perfect for you if you're new to riding or want a complete setup without multiple purchases. Skip this one if you prioritize high-end materials or advanced tech. For the package deal, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, Sena Outrush R Bluetooth Helmet. The Sena Outrush R, this is the premium pick at $359. What sets it apart is the seamless Bluetooth 5.0 integration with 4-way intercom and HD audio. If you want top-tier communication and build quality, this is the one serious riders invest in. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The intercom supports up to 4 riders simultaneously, with crystal clear HD voice even at high speeds. The 3-button control on the left is intuitive, no fumbling with apps mid-ride. It pairs instantly via QR code using the Sena app, and the speakers deliver rich stereo sound for music or navigation. The polycarbonate ABS shell is both lightweight and strong, and the retractable sun visor is smooth and scratch-resistant. It's DOT rated and feels noticeably more refined than budget models. Now, some users mention the price tag makes it hard to justify unless you ride frequently with others. Here's the thing though, if you're a touring rider or part of a regular group, the communication benefits are game-changing. But if you ride solo most of the time, you might not use the intercom enough to justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you ride in groups or long-distance tours and want reliable, high-quality communication. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need intercom features. It's the best in class for tech and performance.
So which modular helmet should you buy? The ILM 902 is the best budget pick for daily riders. The Cyril A128 wins on ventilation and value. The ILM 953 adds solid Bluetooth for under $200. The Umer's 9112 gives you the most accessories for the price. And the Sena Outrush R? That's for serious riders who need top-tier communication. No single helmet is perfect for everyone, but one of these is perfect for you.